Yesterday we discussed about database schemas, tables. Okay, just we will see. Okay, in live environment. This is my OBIEE. This is my OBIEE environment. Here we have one SQL developer. Okay, SQL developer is a tool provided by the client tool provided by the Oracle to okay see the database. Okay, tables, all details. Okay, this is a software we need to install in our system. Okay, then we can able to connect to the database and we can run the queries on this. See, once I open this SQL developer, here you can see first object. This is a Oracle connections. That means this is a Oracle database. Okay, first one is Oracle database. You can see here first object Oracle. Okay, database. This is a database name Oracle. Here we have different kind of schemas. HR schema, QA. Okay, this is separate schema I created. SH schema, system schema. These are the sample schemas provided by the Oracle. Okay, in our real-time projects, okay, they will create their own schemas under the database. This is Oracle is my database. Under this, I have different schemas. Okay, suppose I opened one schema SH. Okay, SH is the schema name. I opened this schema. Here you can see under schema, there are tables. Okay, we have different kind of tables available under this schema. Okay, these are the different kind of tables. Okay, calendar, month, channels, cost, countries, customer, product, sales. These are all the different kind of tables. Okay, once I opened any table, these are the columns available. These are the columns available under this table. See, as I explained, database, schema, table, columns. You can see here, this is my Oracle is my database, SH is my schema. Under this, we have different kind of tables. Under this table, customer table, we have different kind of columns available. See, just I click on this table. See, it is showing all columns, column name, data type, and what is the column value. See here, these are the column names available in this table. Okay, suppose I will take any product. See, these are the columns available in product table. Okay, these are the columns available in promotion table. Okay, here if you want to see any particular data, just what we have to do here, I am in SH schema. Just you need to see select star from customers. Suppose you want to see the data. Okay, see, it is showing all customer information. Okay, customer ID. What is the customer ID? Is first name, last name, customer gender, year. Okay, marriage status. Okay, address. All details it is showing in the customer table. These are all the columns, and this is the data. We discussed about the data, correct? Transactional data and analytical data. Here we have all transactional data is available. Okay, we can use this transactional analytical data. We can analyze our business. Okay, here see database, schemas, tables, and columns. Here Oracle database, HS schema. We have different tables under the schema, and we have different columns under the table. Okay, coming to keys. We discussed some okay columns, key column, string column, measure column. Here you can see customer ID. Okay, automatically in the database side, database team will define this all keys. Okay, see customer key is a primary, customer ID is a primary key column in the table. Okay, this all customer first name, last name, this all information is giving the about this customer. Okay, what is the first name of customer, last name of customer, what is his gender, date of birth, all these are all the string columns. Okay, in dimension table, see here we don't have any measure column, so this is a dimension table. Suppose for example I will take this sales. Here I have different ID columns. Here I have some quantity, amount, all these measure columns. So this is a fact table. Okay, as we discussed, if a table contains at least one measure column, then it is called fact table. Otherwise, it is a dimension table. Here you can see if quantity sold, we can sum up this all quantity sold. Suppose just okay, in real time you don't need to write any queries. Okay, automatically these queries will generate by the OBIEE. Suppose I can take this quantity column. I can sum up this all quantity, then it will give what is the total quantity of. Okay, suppose it will give the total quantity. Okay, number. This is a valid information. The amount, I can take these all amounts, I can sum up, then it will give total sum of amount. But suppose I can take customer table. Customer IDs. Suppose I can take this customer IDs, I can sum up. It will not give any kind of meaningful information. Okay, there is no use of this sum of IDs. Here also I can sum up this all number fields. There is no use. Anything, okay? The postal codes I can sum up. There is no use. Okay. If a numeric column is giving after summarization, it is giving some valid information, then it is a measure column. Okay, so we have different kind of numeric columns in the customer table, but it is not giving the any valid information. So this is not a measure column. These all numeric are not measure column. So this is a dimension table. You need to assume this is a dimension table. Okay, in real time, okay, they will mention, okay, while creating these tables, they will mention dimension underscore, okay, dim underscore customers. Okay, like this they will mention. Okay, while they populating informatica team populating this data, they will mention which is dimension table, which is fact table. They will define like this: dim underscore customers, fact underscore sales. Like this they will populate the data for understanding purpose. Okay, in real-time projects they will create like this. While creating the table itself, informatica team will load the data like this, dimension and fact table like this. You don't bother about, okay, how to identify which is dimension table, which is fact table. Okay, okay, this is the sample data provided by the Oracle. Okay, in real time, okay, this table names will be different. Okay, dim underscore customer, or dim underscore sales, or dim underscore transaction table, dim underscore activity table, like this. Different kind of tables available in real time projects. Here we are going to handle with some 10 or 15 tables. Okay, to understand entire model. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, the schemas, once I will open this repository, semantic layer, I will explain the schemas again. Okay. One more topic we want to discuss. This is actually a informatica topic, but in some interviews, people are asking these questions. Okay. We have one concept, SCD. SCD types. So SCD means slowly changing dimension table only. If that values are changing, so we call that one as a slowly changing dimension. Okay, SCD types. We have 6 or 7 types SCD, but mostly used one is SCD type 1, SCD type 2, SCD type 3. Okay, SCD type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, we will understand what is this SCD type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, just I'm taking one sample employee table. Suppose we have one employee table. In the employee table, suppose we have columns employee number, employee name, and employee location. Okay, this is employee table. In this employee table, we have employee number, employee name, employee current location. Okay, suppose I am an employee. Okay, my employee number is 111. Okay, my name is Bhaskar. Okay, and my current location, suppose I can say this is my current location. This is employee table. This is normal employee table. Okay, now we can see what is SCD type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, SCD type 1. This is the example for SCD type 1. We will explain. I will explain what is this. SCD type 2, SCD type 3. This is very important question. Okay, what are the SCD type 1, type 2, type 3? People will ask this question. Okay, you need to explain with small example like this. Okay, that is very easy. Okay, now this is my main table. What is SCD type 1? SCD type 1. Suppose I am working in some company. Okay, you can take any company. Suppose I am working in TCS. Okay, my current location is Mumbai. Then I asked the transfer. Then I might move it to from Mumbai to Bangalore. Okay, SCD type 1, what it will do? Okay, it will replace my location. It will replace my location. Suppose I transferred from Mumbai to Bangalore. Then immediately it will replace my location with Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. In SCD type 2, what will happen? What will happen? It will not replace this current value. What it will do? It will place one more row.
Update.
It will create one more row with Bangalore location. Here, what they will do? They will maintain one flag. Flag means it is a current record or not. Okay, it will maintain one flag. Then it will mention here, this is not a current one. This is a current one. Now, see, first one, SCD type 1, what it will do? It will replace the current location with Mumbai. Okay, it replaces. Here, we don't have any kind of history. If I asked, okay, Bhaskar, okay, can you please tell me previous location of Bhaskar? No one can tell. No one can answer this question because there is no history. In SCD type, okay, if someone asks, okay, what is the previous location of Bhaskar? Then Mumbai. Here it is showing. And they will maintain the start date, and end date also. Then it is very easy. Okay, from which period you work. Suppose you can take 01/01 2020 2020. Okay, to 01 01, sorry, 30, 31, 12, 2020. Suppose 2020 year, this guy worked in Mumbai location. After this guy moved to Mumbai. From when? 2021, January 1st. January 1st to 31st December, he worked in Mumbai. Then after that, he moved to Bangalore. Then 01/01/21. Current location also, current location is Bangalore only. There is no end date. As of now, there is no end date for him. Okay. This is SCD type 2. Okay. These people will maintain this history. Here, there is no history. Just they will replace Mumbai with Hyderabad. And SCD type 3. Type 3. What will happen? Okay. Instead of creating one more row, suppose here just, oh, I have only one record. Here I have only one record. Suppose in future, okay, here in just this is example, I have only one record. In but MNC companies, there are lakhs of employees. Okay, everyone is replacing from one company, one location to another location. They are transferring. Then okay, data is very huge. Okay, data is very huge. Okay, then it will take a lot of space in the database. Okay, so some organizations, small companies, they will not maintain the history, so they will use this SCD type 1. Okay, they don't bother about the space, then they will maintain this history. Or if some people want to track at least one record of history, what they will do? Employee previous location. They will maintain, instead of creating one more row, what they will do? They will just maintain one more location column in the table. Okay, what they will maintain? Employee previous location. Now current location is Mumbai. I transfer to Bangalore. Then what will happen? This Mumbai will go to previous location and current location will replace with Bangalore. This is SCD type 3. Okay, SCD type 1, type 2, type 3. These are the most used SCD types in our real-time projects. Yeah, చెప్పండి.
ఈ SCD type 3 లో ఇప్పుడు ఈ flags ఇవేమి ఉండవు సార్?
Flags only it will maintain one new row. Okay, current location and previous location. Okay, suppose now, okay, now third scenario. Now I moved from third transfer. Okay, I moved from Bangalore to Hyderabad. SCD type 1, what will happen? It will replace with Hyderabad. There is no previous history. Current location is Hyderabad. Okay, in SCD type 2, what will happen?
Create one more.
It will create one more row. Okay, copy, paste. It will create one more row, Hyderabad. Here it will change to N. These two are not active. This S is active record. Now here we can close it by 31st July 2021. Okay, from August 1st onwards, August 1st, I am working from Hyderabad, so this record will update with now. Now this is my current record. Okay, SCD type 2. What is SCD type 3? What will happen? Someone please tell me. Current location is Hyderabad. Okay, then
previous location అదే ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా చూపిస్తుంది? Bangalore చూపిస్తుంది.
Previous location it will take as Bangalore. Okay,
last location.
Yeah, last location only it will maintain last history. Okay, not complete history, partial history, we can say partial history. Okay, now here we have 3 records. Here we have only separate column, not separate row. Here we have 3 rows, but here only single column they will maintain with one new column. Okay, single row only they will maintain the history. Here we have only, every time we have only single row. Okay, Everyone is clear? This is very important interview question. Okay, people will ask, okay, what is SCD type 1, type 2, type 3? Then you can answer, okay, suppose I am a employee, okay, SCD type 1, okay, it will every time it will replace the value. Okay, suppose I moved from one location to another location, then it will replace with the current location. It will not maintain the history. SCD type 1. SCD type 2, it will maintain the all history, okay, with my all data. In SCD type 3, it will not insert one more row, but it will maintain the history in one separate column. Okay, it is not a row, it is a column. They create one separate column. They will maintain partial history, not complete history.
ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఎస్సిడి టైప్ 2 లో ఇంకా ఒక్కొక్క పర్టికులర్ ఎంప్లాయీకి ఒక్కొక్క ఇట్లా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకి 3 లొకేషన్స్ తో చెప్పారు. అంటే దీని కింద జనరేట్ అవుతుంది ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ సెకండ్. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ 112 ఎంప్లాయీ ఉన్నారు.
ఓకే,
కింద జనరేట్
అంతే అంతే. ఇప్పుడు 112 సపోజ్ 112 నేమ్ is Naveen. Okay, Naveen. Then same thing will happen. Then it will maintain 3 more records for Naveen also. Okay, now 3 records for Naveen also.
space.
Then it see now it is 6 records. Here you can take, this is 1 record. Here it is taking for each change, it is taking 3 rows. Okay, suppose we can take any kind of organization, TCS or Infosys, any, they have 2 lakhs 3 lakhs employees. Then all people are changing from one location to another location. Then there are 3-4 transactions for each employee. Then it is almost 10 lakhs rows, right? Okay, TCS, they don't have any problem, they can maintain the database. But we can take small startup organization, they cannot maintain all this history. Okay, because their space, database space, they will buy it for very less space. Okay, they cannot maintain all this, they don't require this all history information, they don't bother about it. Okay, so they will go with this approach, SCD type 1. Or some people, they want to maintain at least some partial history, then they will go with this SCD type 3. Okay, yes.
So ఈ ఎస్సిడి టైప్స్ అనేవి ఓన్లీ డైమెన్షన్ టేబుల్ లో చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయా?
Yes, only dimension table changes. Okay, you this name itself, it is showing slowly changing dimension, not fact table. Okay, not fact table, only dimension. Okay, but this concept, everything, okay, how it will load the data, everything will taken care by Informatica team. Okay, we don't bother about, okay, how this data is loading. Okay, we don't bother about, just we are seeing this data. But in most of the interviews, people are asking, okay, do you know data warehouse concepts like SCD type 1, type 2, type 3? They are asking this question, okay, what is SCD types? Okay, how they will maintain the data? Then you will explain with this example. Okay, they are very happy with that. Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now what are the main components we are going to work on? Okay, what are the main components we are going to work on this training? We will see, just okay, I will explain one by one component. First, administration tool. Okay, it is useful to develop the semantic layer. Okay, it is useful to develop the semantic layer. Okay, we will see this administration tool. See here in my desktop, there is option BA administration tool, or you can go here. I installed my Oracle Business Intelligence software. Okay, there I have this BA administration tool. Okay, this is a client software. Okay, this is Oracle provided client software. We need to install this one to build the semantic layer. Okay, just I'm opening this one. Okay, Oracle BA administration tool. Okay, it is useful to build the semantic layer. Okay, this all tomorrow we will discuss this one. Just I will open one sample RPD to explain. Okay, just we will see. Yeah, just I open this RPD, these three layers. Okay, presentation layer, BMM layer, physical layer. Tomorrow we will discuss all these details. Okay, these three layers, okay, we are going to work on in this coming classes. Okay, this administration tool is useful to access the repository file. Okay, we called this one as a semantic layers. These three layers we called it as a semantic layer. Okay, first part we need to work on this semantic layer. Okay, as a OBA developer, okay, as a OBA developer, okay, 60%, 60 or 70% work will be in this repository. Okay, tomorrow we will start with this physical layer and BMM layer, presentation layer. I will explain this all layers. Okay, we will go with one by one. Okay, with all details. Just I need to explain Oracle BA administration tool. BA administration tool, this is a client software to access the repository. Repository means semantic layer file. Okay, repository file. Here we are going to model the all star schema, snowflake schema, everything we are going to model in this tool. Okay, this tool is very simple. Okay, you can understand very easily. Okay, this is the 60-70% work. Okay, we have to do in real time project. Okay, this is the first component, BA administration tool. Second component, answers in 10G. Okay, from 11G onwards we called it as a analysis. Okay, that meaning is reports, OBA reports. Okay, analysis. Just I will open. See, this is the web-based URL. Okay, analytics, this is the web-based URL. Okay, after installing OBIEE, we are going to use this analytics URL to log in and create the different kind of reports. Creating different kind of reports. Just I log in. Okay, this is my OBA environment. Okay, here as a OBA developer, 30-40% work will be done here in the analytics. Okay, repository is first part. This is the first part. We need to build this repository. Then after that we need to create the different kind of reports here. Mainly these two components we are going to work on. Okay, in our training or in your real-time project also. Okay, these are the two main components. Oracle BA administration tool, it is useful to build the repository. Here analytics, it is useful to analytics, it is useful to create the different kind of reports. Just I will show some sample reports provided by the Oracle. Okay, Oracle by default installation we will get some sample dashboards and reports. This is a dashboard. I opened the dashboard. Here we have different kind of reports available under this dashboard. See, I opened this one. See, overview. This is one report. This is one report. This is one report. This is one report. All reports we placed under dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but just we need to display the all reports in a single place. We will display the all reports in a single place. That is the dashboard. Okay, these are the sample reports. We are going to create this kind of reports in coming classes. Okay, suppose I am running one business. Okay, my business is, these are the products, these are the product names. Okay, I am running one business, these are the product names. I want to see what is the revenue. What is the revenue in 2008? What is the revenue in 2009? What is the revenue in 2010? What is the total revenue? Then by seeing this, okay, by seeing this, I can analyze my business, right? Suppose I am running one mobile shop or mobile store. Okay, see, cell phones. Okay, cell phones. What is the revenue in 2008? Okay, what are the cell phones models I sold it? What is the revenue generated? Okay, what are the smartphones? Okay, touch screen, keymax, s phone. Okay, the different kind of products. What is the sales? See, I can see all sales for 2008, 9, 10 like this. Okay, finally, okay, finally business users. That means okay, whoever is running the business, okay, whoever is analyzing the business, they are going to, okay, see these all reports in the dashboard. Okay, finally, our agenda is we need to deliver this kind of reports to the business users. That is our goal. Okay, in real-time projects, what we are working, we are going to deliver this kind of reports to the users. Users means business persons. They are going to analyze the business. Okay, they are going to analyze the business. Okay, this is one sample dashboard. Okay, in each dashboard we can place the different pages. Okay, this all we will discuss later. See, these are the different kind of reports. We can say this is a scattered charts, some different graphs, different pie charts. We can explain, we can show, we can display different kind of views. Okay, if user want pie chart, we can provide like this. If user wants some different bar graphs, we can provide like this. Or you want some like this spotted like this. Okay, we can provide. We have different options available in our OBI to create the different graphs. Okay. Okay, this is analytics. This is the main important topic, and this repository. These two are very important. Okay, mostly our 90% work will be here. 95% work. Okay, not 90. 95% work will be here. Okay. Now coming to answers. Yeah, dashboard. I explained already. Dashboard. See, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Quick start is my dashboard name. Here we have different kind of pages. In each page we can place the different kind of reports. Okay, this is one report. This is one report. This is my another report. This is my another report. Okay, I placed 4 reports in this dashboard. Okay, 4 reports I placed under this dashboard. Okay, dashboard is useful to display the all reports. First reports, we need to create the reports, then we will place all reports in the dashboard. Okay, and then fourth option, delivers. Okay, scheduling the reports. Suppose this report is there. Okay, user want to see this report. Okay, this is business person. This business user or business person want to see this report. Okay, then you need to log into this environment. You need to open this report. Sometimes what they will tell, okay, I don't want to open this environment, all these things. Okay, you can schedule this report to send it to my mail id. Okay, user give the mail id, then he asked you to send this report to his mail id. Here we have one option. Okay, we'll discuss later. Okay, agent. Using agent, okay, we can create the agent and we can set the time. Suppose you want to report on every day 8 a.m. Okay, then we will schedule, then we will attach this report output, then we can add his mail id, then every day morning it will go to this report output will go to his mail id. We don't want to open this environment, you don't want to run these reports. Okay, this report output will go to his mail id. Then you can download that one and you can see what is the sales and what is the revenue. All this analysis you can do. Okay, that is the agent part. We will discuss, okay, every topic we will discuss in coming classes. This is just overview. And job manager, okay, this is one more component. Just suppose suppose I scheduled 10 agents, 10 deliverables. That means there are 10 users, they ask for different kind of 10 reports. Then I created different kind of reports, agents. Then job manager is a component. It is useful to monitor, okay, what is the status of. Here we can search for job manager. This is one more component. Here it is one more component. This is very simple. Okay, in my real time I never opened this component. This is very simple. If you have scheduled 10 agents, then you can monitor the job status. Okay, you can monitor this job status. We will see later this one. Okay, job manager is a component. It is useful to monitor the jobs. Okay, that agents are running properly or not. Okay, all these details we can see in the job manager. Okay, and catalog manager. Okay, suppose I developed one code. Suppose I developed this report. In this environment. I want to migrate this report from this environment to some another environment. Okay, another environment. Then we can use one catalog manager. That is also a one component, catalog manager. Okay, this is one component we can use to migrate the reports from one place to another place. This is very simple. Okay, this is just within 15-20 minutes you can learn. Okay, catalog manager is useful to migrate the reports from one place to another place. Finally, ODBC client, it is useful to write and execute the SQL. Already this part we discussed. This is a SQL developer. This is the client tool provided by the Oracle to run or execute the. It is useful to run or execute the queries, OBIEE queries. Just I run this table, then it is showing the data in the table. Okay, these are components we are going to work on in coming classes. Okay, any doubts?
Sir,
yeah,
మన రిపోర్ట్స్ చూసాం కదా, ప్రొడక్ట్ రిపోర్ట్ లో సిఎం వైజ్ సేల్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఇవేంటంటే టైం టు టైం చేంజ్ అయినప్పుడు మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా రిపోర్ట్ జనరేట్ చేసి పెట్టాం ఆల్రెడీ, ఆటోమేటిక్ గా చేంజెస్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి సార్ మన రిపోర్ట్. అంటే ఇన్ఫార్మేటిక్ గా టీమ్ చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి మనం ఏం చేయడానికి అవసరం?
No. This is one time activity. Okay, I created this report, I placed it here. Okay, every day night what will happen? Informatica team will run the jobs. Okay, will run the jobs means what will happen? I will explain. Just we will open this architecture, then you can understand better. See, what every day there are some different mappings. Okay, there are different mappings. What they will do, what are the transactions available here every day? That all transactions they will extract. And they will load the data into the database. Okay,
ఈ ఓఎల్ఏపీ లో అప్లై అయిన చేంజెస్ అన్ని మనం ఆల్రెడీ క్లియర్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది.
This is building of semantic layer and reports. This is a one time activity. Okay, every day once user log into this environment, he run this report. Now here it is showing 50 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs. Tomorrow if you will open, it will show some 52 lakhs or 55 lakhs like this. Okay, automatically these values will take it from the database based on the Informatica loads.
ఇంకొకటి సార్, యాజ్ ఎ బిఐ డెవలపర్ మనకి డే టు డే వర్క్ ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి వన్ టైం జనరేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అంటే డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారా మనం?
డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇప్పుడు మోస్ట్లీ నేను చెప్తున్నా చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు 90% ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ రిపోర్ట్స్, ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ రిపాజిటరీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ ఒక రిపోర్ట్ ఉంది కదా, సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమని చెప్తాడంటే అతనికి వన్ మోర్ కస్టమర్ ఒక కాలం కావాలి అడిషనల్ గా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ నేమ్ చూపిస్తున్నాయి, సపోజ్ ఇతనికి ప్రొడక్ట్ టైప్ కావాలి. అప్పుడు జస్ట్ ఈ రిపోర్ట్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చి ఓకే ప్లీజ్ యాడ్ దిస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ సబ్ టైప్ ఇన్ ద రిపోర్ట్. అంటే మీరు చేసేది ఎక్కువ 90% వర్క్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో ఎనాన్స్మెంట్స్ అంటే నాట్ కంప్లీట్ డెవలప్మెంట్. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ కి మీరు సపోర్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ రెవెన్యూ కాలం ఉంది, ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ ప్రాఫిట్ కాలం యాడ్ చేయమన్నారు అనుకో, ఓకే దే విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ ది డీటెయిల్స్. ఓకే, యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ దట్ ప్రాఫిట్ కాలం. First you need to check it is available in the repository or not. Okay, here suppose you have only two amount sold and quantity sold, two columns. Tomorrow Informatica team populated one more profit column. Okay, what they will do, okay we need this profit column, then you need to add this profit column in the repository, then it will come automatically, it will come to front end, you need to add this column in the report. ఓకే, ఎక్కువ 90% వర్క్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ప్రజెంట్ నేను ఒక ఆల్మోస్ట్ 7-8 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వర్క్ చేశా. ఓకే, స్టార్టింగ్ స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి మేము డెవలప్ చేసింది ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లేదు. స్టార్టింగ్ రిపాజిటరీ తీసుకొని మొత్తం స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి బిల్డ్ చేసింది ఏం లేదు. జస్ట్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్లు ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటిల్లో డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్స్. ఓకే, అడిషనల్ గా ఒక ఫీల్డ్ యాడ్ చేయటం, అడిషనల్ గా ఒక రిపోర్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయటం, అడిషనల్ గా ఒక కాలం యాడ్ చేయటం. ఓకే, different kind of enhancements. ఓకే
సార్, ఇక్కడ మనము ఇంకొక కాలం ఏదైనా రిపోర్ట్ లో యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ అది రిపాజిటరీలోనే మనం వర్క్ చేయాలా? వర్క్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా డాష్బోర్డ్
రిపాజిటరీలో క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఓకే రిపాజిటరీ మనం వన్స్ సర్వర్ లో డిప్లాయ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ కాలం విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ లో. ఓకే, అవన్నీ ఫ్యూచర్ క్లాసెస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. నువ్వు ఆల్మోస్ట్ చివరికి వెళ్ళిపోయినావు క్లాస్ కి. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ మీకు స్టార్ట్ 1 by 1 క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతాయి అవన్నీ. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
రికార్డింగ్ క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది సార్?
రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ నేను గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లో ఇప్పుడు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే,